went to Jerusalem. They were in an upper room, had come, and they were all with one mind in one place. Verse 2, it says, "Then suddenly there came a sound from heaven as of a rushing mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting." So they were sitting in prayer and supplications and thanksgiving unto the Most High, and being obedient, waiting for the promise of the Holy Ghost. They didn't know how or when or where or what, how it was going to happen. It says suddenly, without anything that they could do to be expecting, or it just happened suddenly. It was wind inside the house, a sound from heaven as of a rushing mighty wind inside the house. It filled all the house where they were sitting. Wind everywhere. They were like, what is this? Looking around. Verse 3,